Alright, practice problem 4.5. So write the net ionic equation for the precipitation reaction that occurs when aqueous solution of calcium chloride and sodium carbonate are mixed. So right off the bat we know this is a precipitation reaction, right? So we're going to have from some kind of precipitate. So if we write out what we have calcium chloride, okay, which is going to be a solid, okay, or it's actually aqueous, sorry, it says aqueous, plus reactant with sodium carbonate, so we have Na2CO3, okay, that is also aqueous. And so in a precipitation reaction, we just switch the cations and anions, as we have done before, and so you're going to get calcium carbonate, okay, plus you get sodium chloride. And if we look at our solubility rules, we find that sodium chloride is aqueous. We get calcium carbonate is going to be a precipitate, and so it's the solid. Alright, so at that point we need to balance this equation, okay, and what we already found is that this equation is almost balanced, and so all we need is a 2 in front of this sodium and chloride. Alright, so then we just need to write the ions that this is composed of, right? So once again we just write those out. So we have calcium 2 plus we have 2 chlorines, right? So we have 2 Cl minus, okay? We have 2 Na plus, okay, because that's the 2 there, plus we have 1 CO3, right? We only have 1 because this is a carbonate. Alright, and so that's going to be 2 minus. Alright, so from there on the other side we have basically a calcium carbonate that's not going to break up because it's precipitate, right? So that's going to stay the same. Plus we have 2 Na plus 2 Cl minus. Okay, and that 2 comes from the stoichiometry. So then we can cancel out what we have on both sides. We have 2 chlorines, 2 sodium, 2 sodiums, 2 chlorines. So then we can write our net ionic equation, which says we have Ca2 plus CO3 2 minus gives us CaCO3, which is our precipitate. And that is our net ionic equation. And all these other ions are aqueous.